Daisy.
Hey guys, so guess what? Yesterday I went for a ride to Grandma's house, and when I got to Grandma's house, I showed her all the new dog toys I got, and then after I went for a walk to the dog park.
Well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley? Who did that? Was it you, Riley?
Baby, they were too busy for a pop cup. I'm sorry.
I know.